Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into some super fun tips on how to totally transform yourself into the most popular girl at school. Okay, maybe not popular because who even cares? But someone who everyone thinks is cool and fun to be around. You get me, right? So grab your favorite pink drink. I'm currently obsessed with this strawberry matcha latte thing, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we need to talk about confidence. Confidence is literally everything. It's the foundation of how you present yourself to the world. It's like the secret sauce, the magic ingredient that makes everything better. I'm not saying you have to be the most confident person in the room because that can be kind of intimidating, but you have to at least act like you belong there, even if you don't feel it at first, but you have to at least you belong. It's all about projecting that inner strength. Stand up straight, make eye contact, and don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. These small actions can make a huge difference. Being able to laugh at yourself is the most attractive quality ever. Seriously, try it. It shows you're comfortable in your own skin. Oh my god, this lighting is bad. Can you guys even see me? Sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's okay. I used to be so awkward and shy in high school, I literally wanted to disappear most of the time. It was like I was invisible. But then I realized that no one is really paying attention to you as much as you think they are. Everyone is too busy with their own lives. Everyone is so caught up in their own little world, They're not scrutinizing your every move, so just be yourself, embrace your quirks, and don't be afraid to stand out. Your uniqueness is your strength. And also, wear cute outfits that make you feel good. Fashion can be a great confidence booster. That always helps boost my confidence. When you look good, you feel good. Speaking of cute outfits, can we talk about this top for a sec? It's my new favorite thing. It's giving me major vintage vibes. I love how unique and stylish it is. I thrifted it the other day for $5. $5? Can you believe it? I'm obsessed. Thrifting is such a fun way to find unique pieces. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. But yeah, confidence is key. It's the foundation for everything else. Without it, everything else crumbles. It's the foundation for everything else. If you don't have confidence, it's hard to build anything else on top of it. If you don't believe in yourself, then no one else will either. You have to be your own biggest cheerleader. You know what I mean? It's all about self-belief. So fake it till you make it, babe. Even if you don't feel confident, act like you do, and eventually you will. Okay, so now that we've covered the whole confidence thing, let's talk about how to actually meet people. It's not as hard as it seems, I promise. And no, I'm not talking about sliding into their DMs or sending random friend requests. I'm talking about real-life human interaction, face-to-face conversations. I know it's scary, but trust me, it's worth it. The connections you make will be so much more meaningful. One of the best ways to meet people is to get involved in activities. It's a great way to find like-minded individuals. Whether it's joining a club, trying out for a sports team, or even just volunteering for a cause you care about, putting yourself out there is key. It's all about taking that first step. And listen, I know what you're thinking, Emma. I'm not good at anything. I don't have any special talents. First of all, stop being so dramatic. Seriously. And second of all, that's not true. Everyone has something unique to offer. Everyone is good at something. You just have to discover what that is. You just have to find what you're passionate about. It could be anything. And even if you're not good at something, who cares? The important thing is to enjoy yourself. Just have fun with it. The experience is what counts. The point is to meet people and try new things. Expand your horizons. Plus, when you're involved in activities, you're automatically more interesting, You have stories to share, you have stuff to talk about besides what you had for breakfast or whatever. It makes conversations richer. Okay, I'm totally guilty of talking about food all the time, but you get what I'm saying. It's about building connections. Okay, this one might seem obvious, but it's important, so listen up. Being nice to people is the easiest way to make friends. I know it's crazy, right? But seriously, a simple smile or compliment can go a long way. When you're kind to others, it makes them feel good. And when they feel good, they associate those positive feelings with you. It's like basic psychology or something. I don't know, I'm not a scientist, but think about it. Would you rather be friends with someone who's always negative and complaining or someone who's positive and uplifting? Exactly. I think I need to get my nails redone. They're looking a little rough. Okay, so this is where things get fun. Let's talk about fashion. It's not just about following trends, but about finding what makes you feel amazing. Your clothes are like a form of self-expression, you know? They tell a story about who you are and what you love. They're a way to show the world who you are without even having to say anything. It's like your personal billboard. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what looks good on you. Mix and match, try new things, and have fun with it. And like, when I say dress to impress, I don't mean you have to wear like a ball gown to school every day. It's about being true to yourself. It's more about finding clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. When you feel good, it shows. Because when you feel good, you look good. It's that simple. Confidence is the best accessory you can wear. Oh, and don't forget about accessories. They can add that extra sparkle to your look. They can totally elevate any outfit. Even a simple outfit can look amazing with the right accessories. Like a cute pair of earrings or a statement necklace can really make a difference. It's all in the details. I'm literally obsessed with this necklace I got from this little boutique in Paris. It's my favorite piece. It's like so chic and understated. It goes with everything and makes me feel special every time I wear it. Okay, I know I've said this like a million times already, but it's important, so I'm gonna say it again. Be yourself, like the real you. Not the version of yourself you think other people want you to be. Because here's the thing, trying to be someone you're not is exhausting. And eventually, you're going to get tired of pretending. Plus, people can always tell when you're not being genuine. It's like so obvious. So embrace your weirdness, celebrate your quirks, and don't be afraid to stand out from the crowd. The right people will love you for who you are, flaws and all. And like the wrong people, who cares about them? They're probably just intimidated by your awesomeness anyway. Thanks for watching, everyone. We appreciate your support. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. And remember, being popular isn't about being the prettiest or the coolest. It's about being yourself and having fun with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun tips and tricks. See you next time, and remember to always stay fabulous.